was exactly... Son of a bitch. Fucking Marlot job. All right, Damien. Let's see if there's something you missed. Right there. Damn it.
What the... Hey, it's me. You called me here.
Shit. I have a lot on my mind.
Yeah?
Okay, come here, take a look at this.
Who is she?
I don't know, the file's corrupt. Do you have any ideas how to make the video play?
This isn't fixable. You need the original.
I'm running a search on your CTOS access.
That's what I wanted to talk to you about.
See, I don't think he knows about this. He would have bragged, I know him.
Who would have bragged?
She might be a lead. Or not. I gotta stay a step ahead of him.
Are you in trouble? An IP address.
Yeah, he gave that to me. Can you find where that leads?
What is all of this? Aiden, answer me. I'm not doing anything until...
He took her, Clara. He's using my sister as collateral.
Oh my god. The man we traced?
Yeah. Damien Brinks.
I can't help you. I'm gonna go. We'll talk later, right? After you're done.
Shh. Come here.
What's happening?
Cover your ears.
I haven't!
Where's your car?
This way! Over there! The balcony! Come on back! Aiden! The motor sign!
We're here! I got this, go! Backup units on site.
Look! The street!
Support nearby? Got your call. We're here.
They're coming from front!
Need better cover. Clara, go! Keep moving. Almost there. Clara, this way! Send extra help! We're here, we got this!
Gotta be the search. I ran for the IP. What the hell have we hit on? Just stay low. I'll get us out.
Go, get in the car. I'll finish here.
They're going to trap us!
What are you doing? Just go! Come on! Come get me!
Clara, are you okay?
Of course I'm not okay. God, who are you?
I don't know how to answer that.
I know a place where we can talk. Here.
The TV is reporting a fire at the Alamo Motel. You can't just check out like everyone else?
When have I ever done like everyone else?
Are we bantering? It's been so long I'm tongue-tied.
Savor it, because you're not gonna see it again. Lost my network, I need some equipment.
Not my concern. You didn't want to work as a team. This is your problem, you figure it out. But do it quick, I need your head in the game. Hey, sweetheart, your brother wants to talk.
Aiden? Jax, is my baby okay?
He's safe. Where are you?
I don't know. It's cold. I was blindfolded the whole way. I'm scared, Aiden.
I know you are, and I'm getting you out. Look, I know Damien. He's not crazy, he won't hurt you. Just be careful around him.
What do you mean you know him? He kidnapped me.
He's trying to get to me through you.
What?
Time's up. My God, what did you say to her? The poor girl's in tears.
Damien, put her back on.
You want to continue this little chat? You follow that IP address and get me something I can use. Ta-ta.
All right, she's safe. For now. She's somewhere cold. Maybe outdoors. I'll keep her talking and... maybe I can find where she is.
Renowned psychologist Dr. Phil Edelman. Doctor, the city has a vigilante in its midst, as you know, but you think this is a good thing?
Well, I hesitate to say good, but I think in a city with rising gang violence and a notorious history, citizens need to feel safe.
And he makes them feel safe?
He gives the illusion of safety. People shouldn't think he's a hero, of course.
What about his mental state? Is he just crazy?
I don't like the word crazy. He has a purpose. He's someone who has lost control or feels out of control. In his mind, he's regaining it. He was probably a victim of a crime, and this is his way of lashing out. But once he's achieved that sense of control of the game, he'll stop. He'll stop. Just like that. Yes, just like that.
Just lost everything. My hard drives, my network access. All right, I need to get back online. Where's Clara? Be careful, Aiden. Don't pull her into this.
Here.
Thanks.
Those men. Who are they?
I don't know. Yeah, they must have picked up on the CTOS search.
That's why I wanted to see you. DedSec says that someone else has the system hacked. I took it, and I gave it to you.
Now, hold on. I didn't give it to anyone. I wouldn't.
We need to trust each other.
You know what? I don't have time to soothe you, Clara. If you don't trust me, there's nothing I can do. Someone shot up my motel room. My sister's gone, and I have nothing. You are not my priority right now.
No, I know that. Of course. Do you know this place? Somewhere near here. It's supposed to be the first test site for CTOS. It is known as the Bunker. At least, that's how the urban legend goes.
The bunker? One with access to the entire city?
Undetected access. I've done months of research on it. City planning, zoning documents, things they don't want us to see. There's a blank spot on every map. Right over there. Ish. And you've lost your damage deposit on a motel.
It's fine. I need to find a way inside that bunker. Undetected access to the whole city. I could use a break right now. Who are you? If you can do that, you may be my way in. Tobias Frewer. Well, somebody's been on that island recently. His name's Tobias Frewer.
Tobias was one of...
His name's Tobias Frewer.
Tobias was one of the CTOS pioneers until Bloom fired him. The man is vraiment crazy. Or on drugs. Maybe both. He lives right near here. There's a homeless camp.
He's homeless?
He's got an underground shop hidden in there. DedSec goes there for some of the more rare hardware. You can't forget him. He's paranoid and won't talk.
I can be persuasive.
I'll let you do the talking.
You really want this place to be real, don't you?
It is real.
So you're buying into the legend.
Papa used to take me camping in Mont Tremblant. He'd always say we were looking for treasure. I didn't understand then that he was stealing from the cabins. Gold watches, tools. The look on his face when it was something special. Like one time, I found an old rusted coin with a regal emperor. He said it was an ancient Roman coin. Priceless. But he let me keep it. Said it was my door to a magic world, the whole Roman Empire. I guess I am my father's daughter. Stars in my eyes.
Well, I hope this bunker's real, too.
It's real.
A gang shootout erupted at the Owl Motel earlier, resulting in a gas main explosion. No reports on casualties.
There.
Police are investigating.
That's where Tobias runs his shop.
Rapid response
Mostly black market junk.
Police were able to secure the
Sometimes you
area
can find rare schematics, if you're lucky. It's not there. What now?
Someone here knows how to reach him. I'm gonna have a look around. Fancy setup? A lot of tech for a place like this.
What is it? I'm in the middle of a poker game. There's somebody at your shop. Well, it's closed. Wait, what do they look like? I don't know, man. Punk rock chick and then it's closed.
He's playing poker. I'll get them to deal me in. A poker game, huh? Let's see where you're hiding. There we go. Hold on, what's this? Someone else is tracking the call. It's gotta be fixers.
Hey, you're not gonna believe this. I finally got a lock on Frewer. I'm going to pick him up now.
There they are. They'll hunt him down fast. I need to stop them. You were right. He's paranoid. But I found him.
You want to go alone, don't you? All right. I'll meet you at the island.
I need backup. Heading in. Rebel! Smash into him! Smash into him! Hit him! We're gonna ram him! Don't see him. Shit, Shit! gonna have to sit this one out. Shit, my car's toast.
Okay, time for a little poker with Tobias Frewer. He's my key to Claire's Island.
What?
Out now!
What in hell? Can you see me? Make...
Illegal poker out here. Who'd suspect? One of these guys is Tobias. Let's do this.
Who are you? I don't know you. I don't know him.
Relax. Are you Tobias?
None of your business.
I'll take that as a yes.
No, take it as none of your business.
That's a nice attitude. Is that why Bloom fired you?
Tobias! Stop!
Who say you?
Damn it!
Give him a reason. Stay out of the way. It ain't me you want.
Oh God, keep shooting!
All right. I just need one thing, and then I can let you go.
No, no way. They'll find out.
I'm not one of them.
Why should I trust you?
Because I could shoot you and take it.
Ah. Oh, that ain't an answer, man.
All right. I don't work with whoever you think. No one needs to know about this conversation.
No power to the bunker. They cut it. There's no power, do you get it? Might as well call that place a tomb.
All right. I can deal with that.
That's all it ever was when you think about it. A tomb. Anyone that ever touched that fucking place. We all have one foot in the grave, but I'm okay. I'm safe here. Mostly.
Sure. Tobias. May I have the bridge remote? Please?
I built it, you know. The remote.
Yeah,
That's what I do, I build.
that's great. Let me have it.
Yeah. Fine. Sure. Yeah, you take it.
Great.
Yeah, it's your funeral. Yeah, it's heavy, huh? Trust me, man. It only gets heavier. Hey, listen. If you need anything, I mean whatever, you come see me. I build stuff.
You do.